guys, it's Abby. Today we're gonna make holiday gnomes. Don't forget, you can follow me on my blog at KraftyKirkman.com and also check out the links for all the stuff that you can buy for this craft in the description. All right, so first off, we're gonna talk about the materials. You're gonna need a pair of scissors, some felt, any color really. You can also get the sticky felt if you don't have a glue gun. Some of these wooden balls, you can find those on Amazon. The link is in the description. Some sticky heart cutouts. I found these on Amazon as well. You can also cut these out on your Silhouette or Cricut if you do not want to buy them, and then just glue them on later. That is for the hat. All right, and then I have some of these pine cones that my uncle found in his backyard. Didn't cost me anything. He gave me a whole box of them, so I'm really happy to get some use out of that. And then you're gonna need some faux fur. You can find this on Amazon. The link is in the description. All right, and then you need a glue gun. I found this awesome little holder on Etsy. I will put that in the link in the description as well. I like to have both of them on just in case. All right, so let's get started. So I'm gonna start out with the pine cone. I've cut out the faux fur. Be careful, guys. This is really messy and it does shed. So make sure that when you're all done, you get all cleaned up, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to kind of push it in a little bit and see where I wanna get it. And then I will glue in just a second. Okay, so it's ready. That's where I'm gonna put it. Then I'm going to measure the hat with the felt around it. Okay, let's turn it around. So it does look like this is a wider pine cone, so I'm gonna use the entire back side. And I'm gonna cut it at an angle, kind of like a triangle. And I'm gonna fold it around just to see how much more I'm gonna cut off. So that should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and glue down my beard on the sides. Press it down, be careful. This might not be a craft to do with young children because of the hot glue gun. It's okay if you don't get it all lined up straight. You can kind of fluff it out at the end. Those little pine cone notches are really great to put glue on. And they're not gonna see any of the glue underneath it. Now, I will have some strands kind of coming out and stuff that I will trim up at the end. See how I'm tucking it into the pine cone? You know, their hairs are kind of, gnomes' hairs are kind of all bunched up and kind of messy anyway, so it's not gonna be that big of a deal. And if you're too particular, then you won't enjoy doing the craft. And what's the point if you're not enjoying it? All right, so his little beard is done. I can trim it at the end if I need to. All right, now I'm gonna do the hat. as my instructions had said on my blog, I'm gonna secure it in the back first, then I'm gonna fold it. Now I have seen some people use foam underneath it or cones. You don't have to do that. But if you have a hard time constructing the hat, then that might be an option for you. It's okay if the line is in the back, because usually when the people put it on display in their house or as a decoration, you're not going to see that part. And in a second, you'll see where I'm going to fold it where you don't see it. And again, the glue stick has a lot of little things coming out. Okay, so I'm going to fold the hat a little bit and secure a little bit more in the front. It's okay if the line is in the back, because usually when the people put it on display in their house or as a decoration, you're not going to see that part. And in a second, you'll see where I'm going to fold it where you don't see it. And again, the glue stick has a lot of little things coming out. Fold the hat a little bit and secure a little bit more in the front. Okay, so I'm just gonna secure some more glue in the front so it doesn't keep falling down. I'm gonna go ahead and put the nose on. Kind of want to fold the hat over a little bit over the nose. Oh, so you can just kind of fluff it up. You see that it's not really that even, but it's gonna be okay. Okay, so now the hat is a little open in the back. I'm gonna finish gluing it. A little bit at a time, do it really good. Don't be in a hurry. I guess you could also put wire underneath it to kind of fold it a little bit. And you can leave the hat like this if you want. Okay, but I'm gonna fold it down because again, this isn't for an order. All right, and she wants a red heart on the hat. So you just peel off the back. Stick it on there. And there you go. There's your little gnome.